You know what? I realized something too late. Like literally too late I realized that, and now I'm regretting that. How's going everyone? This is Chris. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely great. Basically right now I'm running a bit late, so let's speed up. I'll do one work, I'll reach to the jetty and I'll meet you up over there. Till then enjoy the time lapse in 1, 2 and 3. Welcome to the second part. I call this the second season of the vlog channel because I took a break. I made all my videos private. When I release the video, that time I'll make all my videos public again. For right now they are private, so I'll make them public. That's why I'm calling it the season 2. So welcome to the season 2. You will find some differences. You all may notice. If you'll notice any differences, you can comment down below. Okay. How's going everyone? This is Chris. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely great. Out on the Gorai jetty to the Baroli side after 3 to 4 months. Right now I'm going to the college. Let's explore up everything. Let's see if there are any changes over here or no. Let's get started. So basically right now I can see the traffic which I should see first. I can't see any difference after 3 months also. And PS, please don't quote me on my voice. I'm wearing a mask and vlogging, so please don't quote me on that voice. Thank you. Let's explore more. But okay. So basically I don't know if this road is open on which I'm going. We go every day. Let's see if it's open or something. Are Google? Yes. Wait, I'll increase the brightness. As you can see, I'm going the right way. It is open. So let's see. Just to be honest, I'm experiencing the same traffic what I used to experience first. Only the people are less. Traffic is same only. God knows what difference is there between the lockdown and the open down. I mean, say open up something, whatever that thing is. Dude, I'm literally sweating in this suit, whatever PPE suit you call it. That also is not PPE suit. It's a wind cheater, or as you can say something raincoat. See, but I'm sweating like anything, bro. Full hands are sweaty from inside. It's sticking to my body and all. Dude, let's see. And I've literally cut all the trees from here and all. See all the trees and all now. They are cut. Entire course is NS. As you can see, the Swami Vivekanand High School. It's closed right now. Yes, as you know, lockdown. If here now, it will not be closed now. Here, so much traffic becomes now. A lot of traffic. Like if this would be plus traffic, it would be too hectic. And if you think why I'm talking this way, because I'm walking fast. Plus I'm saying also. That's why my voice is coming that way. Plus my mask is there. So please cope up with the voice. Swami Vivekanand. high school. Basically I'm rushing for no reason, because I have lots of time left with me, so it's better I don't rush. Actually by now I would be in the college, but I'd not take the bus or the rickshaw, because most of the times we take the bus or the rickshaw and all, but due to this situation बिल्कुल रिक्स नहीं लेने का है मेरे को. So I thought of going walking only. Even walking is good. I'm exercising after, like, I'm literally walking after 3-4 months. Just sitting lazily at home was not working out. So this is much better, walking. I swear, this PPE suit looks too funny on me. Really, too funny. Do you know what doesn't work out? What doesn't work out is if you're wearing a specs with a mask, and in case you're sweating, then the more only bekar. As you can see, you're not able to see. I'm literally sweating. My handkerchief is in my pant. On this pant I've worn the PPE set now. When I've been in the college after a moment. That feeling so. It's a different only feel is there. You are wearing this full, you sweat inside your body and all. And if you're having a mask with the specs keep fogging up every time. If you have that, you have experienced that, comment down. So basically I'm wandering right now. Will the watchman take me in with the camera, because my past college vlogs what you have seen in the bus ka fight, that all what we have shot over here. So that I had the camera in my bag, but now this raincoat is there. So, and the cam is in my hand. I just hope it doesn't say anything about the camera. Let's see what happens. I'll let you all know. You know what? I realized something too late. Like literally too late I realized that. And now I'm regretting that. Shit, I just forgot my gloves. I forgot my sanitizer all at home. Just think, I forgot my gloves at home. I wore this whole thing, full protection and all. And I forgot my gloves at home. How was I doing? That's it, yaar. I'll see while coming if I get this bus now. I'll take that. But I must get that bus. And I have lot time for the boat also. So I'll see if I get bus, I'll go for the bus. Or else I'll go walking. Hey doggies, hi. So here we are. We have reached the college. Dude, like all beautiful only I can see. Yes, here it is. Hush. I'll enter the college and I will see. Even my specs is fogging up now. You gotta see. I don't know about to see. No, let's go. Nervousness. So basically I've been advised to sit for 10 minutes at the back side. Hurry, why that way? Okay, precaution is measures. Dude, I'm literally sweating and fogging up. Hurry, why? Basically I had been advised to sit outside because there was cleaning going on inside the office. So I had been told to sit out. So basically I learned something: never judge anyone, anything too quick. So basically right now I'm all alone. I've literally opened up my jacket, removed my specs. Alone for 10 minutes. I've been advised to sit over here. I'll sit, I'll wipe my face, I'll freshen up. Then I'll go. Oof, got tired. So basically it feels too good to come to the college. Basically this is a canteen area. There you can see the canteen, the one with the yellow. And you can see the benches are aligned, and this I've kept my thing that way. Feels too good to come over here after 4 months. Vibes are same. Sorry. And if you think I've removed the mask because no one is there over here, I'll wear it up again once I enter inside. I'll do one work, I'll go inside, I'll finish out my work, and then I'll meet you all. So basically I've come for the work done. As you can see, that's my form, work done. Let's return back. So basically I've done all the things. I have to just collect my 11th ka results. So I have to collect them from there. Yes, from there. Waiting. Basically it's time to leave now. So actually when I entered now, I did not show this me taking sanitizer. ये जरा हाथ पोछने का था ना. Hold on, let me wipe my hands, sanitize them. Okay. So work done. No, I did not meet any friends. I thought I'll meet someone. Harsh Chauhan, if you're watching this, comment down below, bro. I thought we would meet up, but let it be, no problem. Okay. So now basically it is 11:07, and what time boat do I have? I gotta check out now. Okay, till then let's see if I get a rickshaw or something. Yeah, okay, basically see, it's 11:07. So 11:30 ka boat I got. It is 11:08. Not least 11:08, 11:30 ka boat. 22 minutes in hands. I just hope it doesn't rain. I don't want my cam to get wet. That also cam is not mine. Thanks to Ashton bro. He gave me his cam. Thanks bro, if you're watching this, thank you. I'll give you you can find Ashton on his YouTube channel. I'll give the description. I'll give his channel link in the description box below. I'll give his Instagram too. Please don't quote me on this. I'm not stammering. I'm in hurry. Weather is too cool over here. Kadak dikta hai. Basically, this is welcome to the second part. I call this the second season of the vlog channel because I took a break. I made all my videos private. When I release the video, that time I'll make all my videos public again. For right now, they are private, so I'll make them public. That's why I'm calling it the season 2. So welcome to the season 2. You will find some differences. You all may notice. If you'll notice any differences, you can comment down below. Okay, let's get home now. So basically when I came, I did not notice the jetty, like the creek. I did not notice when I came. There was too much of rush. I was in a hurry too. So I did not notice the jetty. Now I'll go and I'll see. It seems there's some difference when I'm walking and I seen right left now. I felt a bit difference. Let's see what is the difference. Number 16. I swear if this COVID will not be there now, I would take that rickshaw only. 18 minutes, 1.4 kilometers, and I got 11:30 ka boat. I either got to pick a rickshaw or I got to rush too fast, way too fast. Let's see what happens. I'll directly meet her on the creek. Okay, bye. Chal. So at last, I had no choice. No, uncle, आपको नहीं. At last I had no choice rather than taking a rickshaw. Watching this traffic. I don't think also there's some
Getting lost in memories. The surface deeper. While it all surrounding, feeling easier.
and here we are reaching, and we reached Cars. So basically I'm 7 minutes before the boat. So now we can sit and properly see the difference and the changes made on the creek. I just hope I haven't forgotten anything anyway. Dude, a lot of bekar and it's sweating, Ray. Forget, we have reached the creek. Arey, boat is come. There boat comes. If you all can see, boat is coming. Everything is on time. Dude, it's really raining I think over there. Full fog is there over there. You can see that fog over there. Dude, full Sanhok wala experience I'm getting. Remembering Sanhok, PUBG is going to get banned. I've heard this way. I'm not sure about it. Let's see. Boat is come. 6 minutes in hand. It's already raining. Dude, this ramp is made new over here. Shit, here we go again. I just want to slip. I don't want to slip and fall down over here. I just hope that. Okay, bye. Basically, as you can see, it's raining, so I'm ending the video here only. I don't want to make the camera wet while riding I mean. So I'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you think there's something mistake I did some wrong, you can comment in the comment section below. Okay, bye. See you. Shaba care, Kailash care, take care, bye bye. Arey Benjit, what is rushing?